I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming which account types you're linking. Bgmi supports Guest, Facebook, Google, and Twitter. Once done, make sure the game is updated and cloud save is enabled so progress transfers. Now open Bgmi on the primary account and navigate to Settings right arrow basic right arrow link. You'll see available platforms, pick the first target account, and follow the in-game OAuth prompt. This starts the secure handoff from one login to another, avoiding data loss. You now link the secondary account by selecting the platform and signing in through Bgmi authorization dialog. You must grant permissions to bind the account. After authentication, verify the displayed UID and nickname to confirm it matches the intended account, because once tied you can't easily separate them. Repeat the process for the third account, selecting a different platform each time. If you encounter a conflict warning, pause and read the prompt. It explains whether progress will merge or overwrite. Finish by returning to Settings and confirming all three platforms are listed as linked. This makes cross-login seamless. Then test by logging out and logging back into each provider to ensure Bgmi pulls the same profile. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, retry the linking steps, and avoid repeating authorizations rapidly. As a key troubleshooting tip, if persistent errors appear, note your UID, platform names, and timestamps. Then contact Bgmi support so they can resolve account merge or overwrite issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.